I mean, compromised access keys are not new by any means. We actually were observing some abnormal behavior related to some AWS infrastructure in our clients, and it was specific to Bedrock. And if you're familiar with Bedrock, Bedrock is the AI infrastructure service for hosting things like Anthropic models, et cetera. And we're like, what are they doing with Bedrock? Like, this doesn't make any sense. And once we started to pull the thread on it, what we realized was they're actually using access keys, like stolen access keys, to then abuse Bedrock to steal free Bedrock services. And then they were jailbreaking Anthropic models and other AI models. What were they doing? They're creating role-playing sex bots that they could go sell subscriptions to. And so, of course, this was an interesting one because this involves essentially non-human identity in an AWS access key. Now you're looking at AI services and AI infrastructure. So you have a cross-section of NHI and AI. And we were actually one of the first ones to disclose this. And Brian Krebs, if you're familiar with Brian Krebs, he breaks a lot of the latest breaches, right? So he had the exclusive on our story, and he did the investigation. He's like, wow, this is fascinating. And subsequently, we've been referenced several times by a lot of other big vendors like Wiz and other folks in their blogs. And I think that's a cool thing about what we're trying to do is we're trying to be always at the forefront of finding these unique things, like the LLM jacking or some of the search term indicators and ways of detection.